bringing you info at the speed of now. What's today's instant insight?
To use your debit card safely online, start by only shopping on secure websites. Look for HTTPS in the URL and a padlock icon. Use two-factor authentication, 2FA, where available for added security on your accounts. Consider a dedicated online shopping account with limited funds. Regularly monitor your bank statements for unauthorized transactions. Additionally, avoid using public Wi-Fi for financial transactions to reduce the risk of interception. For enhanced security, consider using services like virtual debit cards that provide a buffer between your actual bank details and online merchants.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.